How to upload videos on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up TikTok on a device. Now wait for the app to open. Now simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now if you want to record the video, simply select the duration of the video and start recording. Or if you want to upload the video, simply tap on the photos icon. Now select the video you want to upload. Now tap on next. Again click on next at the bottom right corner. Now tap on post. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.